Students, now we see the next topic, resistors in series and parallel. இதில் ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம வந்து 10th பார்த்தது தான். ஸோ இப்போ ப்ளஸ் டூ இருக்குது, சேம் தான். இது வந்து இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் 3 மார்க் கொஷின். ஓகே, இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் 3 மார்க் கொஷின். ஃபஸ்ட் நம்ம வந்து சீரியஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபஸ்ட் வந்து ஒரு பேட்டரி ட்ராப் பண்ணுங்க, வந்து ப்ளஸ்ஸு மைனஸ். ஸோ V is the potential difference. There are the 3 resistors connected in series means side by side connection. ஸோ resistors R1, இது R1 எடுத்துங்க. அப்புறம் this resistor R2, this resistor R3. So R1, R2, R3 are the 3 resistors connected in a series with the battery. Now current is same for all the 3 resistors. So current நம்ம சேம் ஆச்சுன்னா வந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம், பொட்டன்ஷியல் ட்ராப் வந்து மாறப்போகுது. ஸோ பொட்டன்ஷியல் ட்ராப் இஸ் V is common, is cross across R1 as V1, is cross across R2 as V2, it cross across R3 as a V3. So in this condition I is same for all the resistors, the potential is only difference. So we can write I equal to same for all the resistors, but potential difference V is different. So which one will be different means, so you can find out the total potential difference V is equal to sum of all the potential difference V1, V2, V3. So V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Put the equation number 1. You know that Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So formula Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R. We want V here, so resistance in series means you can write RS, R suffix x. So V equal to I into RS. Similarly V1 equal to current is I into R1. So I into R1. For a V2, current is I, then resistance R2. So V2 is equal to I into R2. Similarly V3 is equal to I into R3. So you know all the values. So all are the substitute in 1. So what is the first one is here, V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So the formula for V is equal to what? I into RS. So I into RS, that is equal to V1 equal to what? I into R1. V2 equal to I into R2. V3 equal to I into R3. Okay. So in this right side I is common, so take out. The remaining things is R1 plus R2 plus R3. Here I into RS. Oh, I gets cancelled. The remaining RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So resistors are contained in series, that is equal to sum of the individual resistance. That's all. Then in parallel, so parallel means resistors are contained up and down. We already studied in 10th grade. You have the same thing. V is a potential difference. Okay. To contain the resistance like this, vertical. Now this is R1, this is R2, this is R3. So we have the 2 points here. So the potential difference across all the resistors is common. So we can write common as V. So V is common here. But current is I here. Up to this point is I only, is meeting I. But in crossing this point, it has I1. So here is I1. For R2 is I2. For R3 is I3. So in this parallel connection, V is same for all the resistors, but I is different. Okay. So V is same, I is different, which means potential difference is same, current is different. So if current is different means what? I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Put the equation number 1. According to Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R. We want I only, so I is equal to the multiple R commas divided. So I equal to V by R. Right, put P for a parallel connection. So I equal to V by RP. Similarly, I1 equal to V by R1. I2 is equal to V by R2. I3 is equal to V by R3. Okay, so all things are substituted in one. So what is the value of I equal to V by Rp? Then I1 equal to V by R1. Similarly, I2 is equal to V by R2, I3 equal to V by R3. Okay, then here is V is common taken out, remaining, so V is in numerator, so common means 1 is there, so 1 by R1, then 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Left side is V by Rp. Now this V is cancelled, so remaining things numerator 1 is there, don't forget to write 1. So 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. In this parallel connection, the FD resistance is equal to sum of the reciprocal of the individual resistors.